Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to do a review about the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and we are going to compare two shades which is Butterscotch and Caramel. So Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline is a well-known product. Many users have been using it, but there has been multiple reviews that it is either good or bad. But today let's do a review of this product and we'll compare these two shades, the Butterscotch and Caramel. So these two shades are for medium to deep skin tones. There's always confusion about which is really suiting a medium to deep skin tone. So today let's do the comparison of these two shades. So coming to the product, so this is the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and this is how the packaging is. And it comes with this sponge applicator, and the shade which I have now is Caramel. So this shade is really good for a medium to deep skin tone. It helps you to conceal your pigmentation and your dark areas in your face. So for me, I use this a lot. As you can see, I've already used this so much and I really love this product. It's like, a go-to product for me. I just apply this and a compact and it's really good for everyday makeup. So coming to the shades, so first let me swatch these shades in my hand so you know the shade difference. So you need to twist to get the product onto the applicator. That is the shade and this is Caramel. So I'll give you a closer look. So now what we'll do is I will apply Butterscotch on one side and Caramel on one side. So according to me, Butterscotch is a lighter shade. So I think it'll go well only for highlighting purpose than for concealing. So let me start with the Butterscotch. So a little goes a long way. So you don't have to apply too much to get a good coverage. And it gives you a really full coverage, this concealer. You can use the same applicator, but there will be too much of product sometimes. So it's better to use either a makeup sponge or a brush. So you can see here the shade is light, but it blends in really well and it gives you a full coverage for sure. I actually applied it all over my face. So as I said, a little goes a long way, so you really don't need a lot of product to get coverage. So that is how the shade looks. As you can see, it is light, but it gives you a nice full coverage and it conceals your darkness very well. You can see here the difference. Now let me use Caramel on this side. So this is a nice warm shade. So if you're a warm toned, this shade will go really well. So that's the shade of Caramel. So as you can see, this shade is actually going on well, at least for my skin tone. That's what I feel. As I said, I use this a lot. I don't even use an orange corrector when I use this. And it lasts for the whole day. The coverage which you get from this, concealer, it lasts for the whole day for sure because I have used it. Now I'll just set it better with a makeup sponge. So that's the difference between these two shades. So this is Caramel and this is Butterscotch. I can give you a closer look. So this is Caramel and you can see the coverage it gives you. And this is Butterscotch. So this is a lighter shade, but you can definitely use it for highlighting purpose. So if you're in the same skin tone as mine, I use NC42 in MAC and in Maybelline I use 312. For me, Caramel goes really well for concealing and for highlighting, Butterscotch goes well. So that's the difference between these two shades and the product is really great. It gives you full coverage and it definitely lasts for the whole day. I have used it a lot. And it doesn't crease much. If you apply more product, it definitely will crease, especially over here and here. So a little product is more than sufficient for you to get a good coverage. And cost wise, if you see, it costs around 550 to 650, so it depends on the shade. And if there are some offers, you can definitely get it at a lower price. So that's the review about the Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline. I hope you liked it and I hope it was useful. If you liked it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.